everyone, it's the Lepidoptera lady here in Lawrenceville, and this evening we got some great rain, so it is looking very pretty and green all around. Today I'm going to talk to you about another host plant, and remember, caterpillars are specialists, and so they have to have a host plant, which is what they are going to eat during their larval stage. This is a false blue indigo bush, and I love it. The green is like a silvery green. It's really pretty, and it doesn't really have a definite shape. I like how it's kind of just wispy and whimsical. And in the springtime, when it blooms, it's an early bloomer, and it has on these shoots, it has these really pretty purpley blue small flowers that attract a lot of pollinators. It's good for early pollinators that come out. And this is actually a perennial herb. Now, perennial means that it comes back every year, which is definitely what I like in my garden, because that way you don't have to keep planting. So if you cut it down in the winter or in the late fall, it will overwinter, and then in the spring it will sprout back up. This plant is host plant to a lot of different butterflies, and I'm gonna have to get my notes so that I tell you the right butterflies that use this as a host plant. The clouded sulfur and orange sulfur, an eastern-tailed blue, the hoary edge, a frosted elfin, and the wild indigo dusky wing. So this is a good one for many species of butterfly. After it blooms in early spring, it's July now, so it takes a while, but it will develop these seed pods. As you can see, these, and they start out green, obviously, and they've turned black. So that means that if you want to save some of the seeds and put it somewhere else in your yard or share with your friends, you can use these seed pods to collect the seed, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you can just pop these off. Okay, and then you're just going to open it up real carefully because they're tiny. All right, so see those tiny little brown seeds? Now sometimes if you open them too soon, they'll be like a yellowish color, so you want to wait until they're good and kind of crispy and the seeds are brown. So you just collect those seeds. Make sure when you take them in, you can just lay them on a paper towel or some in an organza bag or something. Let them dry a little bit, and then you can store them and share them with friends, or you can plant them in a different part of your garden, like I said. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this session of the Lepidoptera lady telling you about false blue indigo.